one of the stuff to do today is organizing all this pair of shoes and slippers. And I'm doing a load of laundry later. This it's all bed sheets and towels. So the video I uploading is done. Now I'm just gonna go do something with it, I guess. Just add some description, and then it's for sure already posted in my YouTube, but it's private, so I need to put public also. I need to fold those one. And need to put this one in the laundry to get situated. Simon, what are you doing? So this is the cover of our washing machine. We need to cover this one because nasa labas siya, guys, and ayaw namin siyang mainitan kasi parang the more siya na maiinitan directly sa sun, the more siya ma-destroyed. So this is its original box. We just cut the other side para easy slip in lang siya. Okay, so there's the laundry I need to do. I need to get that one situated. And then this is Simon's uniform where I'm going to wash. And by the time later tonight, dry na siya. So, pwede na siyang magamit for tomorrow. So anyway, so this is our washing machine, guys. We just recently got this one. This year lang, guys, namin nabili to. So, Samsung. And it's a active wash wobble. 8 kilo, 8.0 kilo that can fit here. So that's the direct water there. So I open it up, tapos ito yung sa loob niya, guys. It really fits a lot of clothes, guys, which is really good. And then ito, it says detergent, magic dispenser, and softener. So I pulled that one out. Dito ko nilalagay yung detergent ko, liquid detergent, and then yung para softener. So in the side here, that's my little parang washing. This is our, by the way, this is our old washing machine, guys. We have this one already, I think 4 years. I bought this one to my mom, and then hindi niya ginamit, so kami na lang naggamit nito. And then after 3-4 years, we decided to get this new one kasi mahirap talagang gamitin ito kasi hindi talaga siya yung nakaka-clean good, and it's a Panasonic brand. It works good too. So this is what I'm using. And actually this one, guys, it's a DIY bottle. I just need to remove this one. The bottle is from Watson, and that's the fabric softener. And this is the powder na ginagamit ko rin sa pagwawash ng clothes. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm going to change first the battery kasi I just saw na blink na siya, low bat. I need to change it, and then I'll come back. So ito na, guys. So ito I think Ariel. Oh no, this is Tide actually. So this one is Ariel. It says Downy Passion. It has a rose scent. But sa loob nito guys, hindi yung rose scent. You can see it's blue because I tried the new one that they have released. And then this one is the Downy Antibac for antibacterial, and I mixed it with the Downy softening or something like that for the clothes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I always used it. So I'm going to open this one and then pour until 45. I won't do 50, so I'll just do 45. And then oops, it's not pulled out. Ipupull lang natin to. Tsaka sa inside, I'll pour that one. I'll let it like, you know, parang busin lahat. And then for this one also, I'm putting this one next to this, but I'm going to put all the clothes in here are the towels. So, ayan, yun na yung naiwan. Parang isang towel lang. Pero, ano kasi to, if this one will get wet, it's very heavy. And I don't wanna put, or, di ko gustong i-over 8 point siya. So, ito lang, a bed sheet, a blanket, and few pillowcases. Then, after that, wala na siya. So, kuha ako nito. Mag-spray ako until, mag-push ako until 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. So, ayan na yung 15. Parang 45 almost din siya. So, ipo-pour ko lang dyan. Yan, makikita nyo ng ano na siya. Tapos, ito, this is a DIY, ano siya, binili ko to siya sa Lucky 99, guys. It was 50 peso only. And then this one, it was one of the scoop for Boris protein shake. So, yung ginamit ko. So, I used that much, not full, guys. Tapos, sprinkled ko lang siya dyan sa bottom. And then, I'll put this back in. And then, I'll throw that in para ma-wash naman siya. So, ito na. The best part. So, now, we have a lot of stuff here, guys. We have Fuzzy, Quick, Soak, Jeans, Blanket, and Delicates. But all the time, I only use the Fuzzy because if I use the jeans and the other stuff, it still do the same thing. It's just marami lang siyang rinse time at saka marami din siyang, I think it's like hour or something and a half, hour and 20 minutes or something. So, yung ginagawa ko, i-on ko lang to. Pag na-on na siya, makes a noise. Tapos, i-on ko rin yung water. Yan. It has a little drip, guys, pero okay lang yan. Maliit lang naman. So, now, I will press the water level. And you can choose how many water you want. You can do 4, 5, but 1, 2, but I do 3. So, ayun na. And then, I will press Fuzzy. And then, I will press start and pause. So, ayan na yung laundry routine ko. Tapos, later on, iwawash ko tong leftover na shorts at saka swimming outfit ni Boris together with Simon's uniform. Kasi yung clothes ni Simon, I washed it separately with all his clothes kasi mas delicate siya, so I don't want it to be washed together, guys, sa mga big clothes namin. So, let's tackle this one, guys, because super messy na talaga siya, and we'll do fast forward. guys, super quick lang talaga siyang i-arrange. So, ito na. I have more pair of shoes and sandals than Boris. Ito yung swimming shoes namin. Tsaka the rest is, I think, everything is mine. And there is my baby. This time, guys, he didn't sleep because he feel like he wanna enjoy more. Hopefully later, huh? You're gonna sleep right away. You threw that one. It's dirty. Ew.
Wow.
That's not wow. No. Throw that one. So, let's go inside na. Come here.
Wait.
No, wait. Come here na. Doctor. Come here. So that's the rest of the shoes, guys. I need to put in our inside shoe rack. So yeah, that's really it for today, guys. I hope you guys like watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social medias that I'm going to put in my description box. At huwag niyo rin kalimutan na i-click yung bell button sa tapat o sa gilid ng subscribe button para naman ma-notified kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. And yeah, I hope hindi kayo nagsasawang manood sa mga videos ko. Kasi ako minsan nasasawa din ako, but sometimes I downloaded all my video, guys, and just watch this over and over because I feel like it's kind of nice also to see myself in the video in the YouTube. So that's also the reason. So yeah, I hope you would love this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.